Hey guys, just thought I will record a video to show you some expected behavior upon getting failed, and just to share something that's going on. Okay, so I got 15 lots here to go in. So watch this. There we are. We're like, it's an order. Doesn't matter which order it is. I just want to show you that we have an order quantity of 15, and we on execution update starts firing. Okay, and we start getting failed. So we now got filled with 1. Okay, and our order state is partly filled. Okay, and you can see it just keeps on firing and firing. So now we already have 5. So position quantity is also 5. However, order quantity is 15, so we need to reach 15. Okay, so 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, watch this. 14, and the order state is still partially filled. Watch this. When we got filled with 15, so our execution order filled equals execution order quantity. At that point, the order state changes to filled, which is what we expect. However, so this video is to warn you that what I've seen, that on many live accounts, this does not happen. And when execution order filled actually equals execution order quantity, the order state is still partially filled. All right, so watch out for this when you're building out your logic. Take care.